right, the strategy I want to talk about today is using whiteboards. And you know, whiteboards are pretty low tech, but it works very, very well. And what I find is that when students have the chance to work their problems or go through examples on their whiteboards, they're very willing to show their work and see what's going on. Take a look at the boards around you, okay? Does everybody agree? Okay, I'm seeing some answers of -2 and I'm seeing some answers of +2. Which one should it be?
Negative.
-2, very good. I get a good chance to do a quick overview of how well they did or didn't do. I can look for common mistakes. I can look for common correct answers. And it just works really well for me to see one student or an overview of the entire class and how well they understand the concept.